I'm here on the stunning island of Fregate in the Seychelles. Conservation work is of utmost importance, whether it's on land or in the ocean. We started coral restoration work in 2018, right here, doing experiments with the Mineral Accretion Technology to bring back degraded coral reefs at a faster pace. Since the last bleaching event in 2016, the coral reefs have been recovering well, but there's still a lot of work to do. If you would like to support the corals and our work at Coral Life by sponsoring a fragment or a complete coral restoration structure, please get in touch with us. And if you want to have your own hands-on experience, we'll go dive together.